Okay, let's get it, y'all. This is another one, y'all. Y'all friends. I don't know where y'all get these friends from, but never take a shower with your friends. For sure.
Never take showers with your friends, bro. Like, don't do that shit. I got manipulated into doing it. And I'm just gonna say, don't let a bitch manipulate you. And if someone try to use the same trick on you, just know you learn from me to not accept that shit. And this bitch keep running around and saying, why we not friends no more? I'm telling y'all the real reason why we not friends. Because she keep lying. Like, girl, just tell them what you did, son. So cool. Y'all, I had this friend. She owed you to sleep over my house. We never went over her house. She was more like, she hated being home. I didn't mind being home too bad at my house. Like, I can't complain really too much about my house. So I'm like, it's fine for her to come over anytime she wants. Like, this time, I was like, fuck, I hate being home right now. Like, let me come over. She was like, okay, cool. My mom not even home anyway, so you can come over. It's cool. So I'm like, bet. Go over her house, blah, blah, blah. We laughing, trolling our exes, doing, what girls doing to sleep over. Feel me? And it get like late at night, and I'm like,
That's what
damn,
girls do?
I want to take a shower. Like, I didn't feel dirty, but I just felt like I ain't taking a shower all day. And I don't know, I just want to take a shower. I just take a shower. And she was like, dang, I was just gonna take a shower too. So I'm like, okay, this is your house. You can take your shower first, or you want me to take my shower first? Like, it don't matter. But then she just got quiet and was like, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm just like, you're not gonna lie what? Like, and she like, oh, my mom doesn't really have extra money to pay like the water bill, like for extra water. But she barely could pay it for us two. So, I doubt she's gonna have extra. So we gonna take a shower together.
What?
I could tell she felt embarrassed saying that. So I didn't want to give like a fake, because I ain't never like had to be in that predicament.
I wouldn't be taking a shower. I wouldn't be taking a shower. I go back home. You had a home you could go take a shower in. You have a home that you could go to take a shower.
My parents always, I don't know, I just never had to be in that predicament. So I didn't want to like, give off like bitch, like I don't know. I just didn't want to give that off. Like I didn't want to be like, oh, this bitch is spoiled. This bitch, she got it like that, so she'll never got her like that. I didn't want to give like I was like that. And at the same time, I could tell she was already embarrassed, so I didn't want to make a face to make her feel more embarrassed. Because like you never know, I could be in that predicament like in a few years, like just because I'm not like that now. Don't you feel me? So I didn't really just want to make her feel embarrassed. So I was like, shit, okay, like. All right, like at first I was like, dang, I just take a shower when I get home, but like
exactly,
I could tell in her face, like I don't know, I just felt bad, So yeah, so okay, we
get
in the shower. I ain't never did nothing like this before. I seen on TikTok people be doing this, and I made a video bashing it. I'm like, who the fuck take a shower with their homegirls? But I never knew people being like, different situations. So we taking a shower together, blah blah blah. She started washing me up. Like first I'm washing myself up. Like I ain't never took a shower before with anybody but my sister. So I'm just like, so I'm washing. When she started washing me up, start caressing me, like she's like washing me, but like caressing me, like washing my chest and caressing my chest, and I'm just like,
what?
Like, God, like what is going on? Like. I'm just like, okay, and I'm just like really not trying to like, you can tell I'm uncomfortable by my body movement, by my face, but she wasn't really in that. And I just felt so uncomfortable. Like, I was just like, bro, this is really happening right now. Like, when something happening, you're just like, this is really happening right now. It was all fun and games until this bitch got down and started trying to suck on my, I was like, okay,
oh my God.
Let me go. Like, bitch, you got enough water in this hoe, because we've been in the shower for about 15 minutes. Baby, we could have split that shit up. You could have took a 10-minute shower. I could have took a 5-minute little play shower. Nah, you know what you was doing. So I left. And I went to my nigga house, because he lived in the same neighborhood. And that's when she just started telling everybody, like, oh, I'm a weird friend. And I left her to go be with my man, how I always put my man before our friendship. And no, y'all, if you know who I'm talking about, and she telling y'all that story, this is the real story. No, I did not leave her for my man. Well, technically I did, but this bitch was trying to be on that, and I'm not on that. How much time I gotta tell y'all I'm not gay? I'm sorry. Never take showers with your...
Yo, okay. First and foremost, again, like I said, you left your home. You left your home because you hated being home clean. For what reason, we don't know. Well, you had a perfectly working shower to go over to your homegirl house to kiki and do whatever case may be about some ex-boyfriends and all that, which is corny. I didn't know that's what girls do. Whatever, that's corny. She tells you that her mom cannot afford the water bills. I mean, the bills, and especially the water bill. And you're easily manipulated and gullible to believe taking a shower together would save more water. What logical mind did you have, ma'am? She knew you was that damn dumb. She knew it. You put yourself in that situation, in the sense of you got in the shower with her. There's no way as a man, there's no way that my homeboy can convince me to get in a fucking shower with him. There's no way that my homeboy can convince me that his mom ain't paid the water bill or whatever the case may be, ain't paying her bills, and that's why I ain't taking a shower. Point blank. I'm not taking a shower. It's not happening. I will be dirty until I get home, or I will go home. One or the other. Man, this is crazy, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Urben Currse, man. These people crazy. Insane.